a cheesy crowd pleaser packed with smoky flavor. An Italian classic reimagined, tender chicken pieces, flavorful spices, and a smoky sauce make this meal a winner. Slice the tomato into wedges and the onion into thin slices. Grab a medium bowl and combine the chicken, Aussie spice blend, and a drizzle of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Heat some olive oil in a large frying pan. Once hot, add the chicken and the onion. Cook until browned, tossing it now and then. Lightly dust flour over a clean surface. Whether using a rolling pin or your hands, ensure they are lightly floured too, to prevent sticking while you stretch each dough into a circle. Did you know the first pizzas were square or rectangular? Originating in Naples, they were made with traditional Italian flatbread and topped with local ingredients. Now place the pizza bases on a lined oven tray. With the back of a spoon, spread the barbecue sauce evenly over the bases. Then, top with the chicken, onion, and grated cheddar cheese. Bake your pizza on the middle rack until the cheese is melted and golden. In a medium bowl, combine the mixed salad leaves and tomato with a splash of vinegar and olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Time to slice. Take the pizza out of the oven and cut it into pieces. Serve with the tomato salad and enjoy. Your friends and family will want to get their hands on this.